Yo, what's good, YouTube? So I just wanted to give y'all an update about a few things. First thing is this. So for those who have the Clean Biz Network app, so we actually have two apps now. So we got the Clean Biz Network member app, and then we just got the regular Clean Biz Network app. So the regular Clean Biz Network app is the one that has been out for forever. It used to be called Calculated Clean, and I switched to Clean Biz Network. And so now what I'm about to do is switch it back to Calculated Clean and separate the two. Alright, it'll be two completely different things. So if you've been using the Clean Biz Network app, which will be Calculated Clean within the next day or two, be prepared for the changeover. On the Calculated Clean app, when it returns, it's going to go back to its old pricing of $49 a month. Right now, it has been free because I've been in the transition, rebuilding it, and then also just trying to figure out what I wanted to do and how I want to go in the next direction. Now that we got the Clean Biz Network member app, the Clean Biz Network member app is literally a mirror reflection of the new CRM program that Clean Biz Network offers. So for those who don't know, when you join Clean Biz Network, you're not just joining a coaching group, you're actually getting a full janitorial management software that you can run. So it does all type of stuff. It got calendars up there. You can build your website on it. You can send out invoices and get paid straight through our site and everything. And there's a whole app that attaches to it, so you can send invoices from your phone if you want to, all type of stuff. So we combining the things from the Calculated Clean app to the Clean Biz Network app. So I just want to give y'all an update on that. So be prepared when the app switches over. If you're a long time Clean Biz Network member and you're like, what in the world is going on? Make sure you download the new app. The new app is, you can get it from the desktop version of cleanbiznetwork.app, or you can look in the Facebook group, the Clean Biz Network private Facebook group. I shared the link in there. All right, make sure you download the new Clean Biz Network member app from the App Store. All right. Also, what else I got for y'all? Just want to kind of just do a check-in and give y'all an update of everything, man. I've been grinding. I got interviews and consultations that have been scheduled every single day of the week for the most part. Almost every day of the week I'm doing an interview or consultation. So plenty of videos coming up for y'all, plenty of interviews, plenty of content coming. I'm also shooting like those 10-minute videos where I'm just giving game about the cleaning industry in general. So be looking forward to those as well. And just been grinding, y'all. I'm trying to really get over the hump, and once we get this Clean Biz Network conference out the way, then I can really turn up a notch even more with this new I got new things. I always got something new I'm working on for y'all, right? But anyway, most importantly for now though, is y'all know I'm locked in on the conference, right? But I did wanted to go ahead and put out the Calculated Clean app, let y'all give y'all an update ASAP to let you know that it's about to change from the Clean Biz Network app. It will no longer be free. Y'all been getting free long enough, so don't start all that bitching and shit. Y'all been getting it free long enough. And now I was like, all right, you should have had, if you got at least one customer, you can afford $49. So I don't want to hear no bitching. Make sure y'all leave a 5-star review, because you know the app is helping you calculate your jobs, create your proposals, send out invoices, do inspections, do walkthroughs, and you can buy leads all in the Calculated Clean app. So leave a 5-star review if you like the app and you know that you use it every day. I see all of the thousands of submissions that that when people use it anyway, so I know y'all using it. But anyway, be prepared for that. It will be a 7-day free trial though. Yeah, I'll put a 7-day free trial on there, even though you shouldn't need no free trial for $49 damn. But it's cool. I'll put a 7-day free trial, that way it ain't just abrupt when you open the app. But this is a fair warning to be prepared for that, alright? And the next thing is this. Don't forget that Clean Biz Network tickets are the sale. Like, we won't be selling no more tickets after January 28th, because I have to submit the final count of people to the venue, and because we're gonna serve y'all dinner every night, right? So on the 28th and the 29th, we're gonna have a formal dinner. They're gonna serve you dinner to your table, all of that. We're gonna do an award ceremony. Then on the first night, and the next night we're gonna do a party, and then that third day on March the 1st, we'll do a brunch for y'all. So we need a final count of everybody, most importantly, so we can make sure everybody get fed properly. So that's why the ticket sales will end soon. So don't try to come afterwards talking about, oh, I didn't know, I didn't see it. I've been promoting it every day on Instagram, every day on YouTube, in the middle of my videos, everywhere. You know what I mean? On LinkedIn, Facebook, in the Facebook group. I've been texting, I've been emailing, I've been sending push notifications in my app. Like, at this point, I don't know what else I can say. Get your tickets ASAP to the Clean Biz Network conference. And I tell you what, we do got payment plans for the tickets, y'all, through ShopPay. So, all right, so if you can't pay the whole ticket price up front, go ahead, go on the website and do the payment plan option and get it now, okay, this month. Then next month, you can worry about getting your flight, getting your hotel and all of that, if that's how you got to do it. But make sure you get there, meet me in person, meet all of the speakers in person. When I say we covering everything from government contracting to how to start a cleaning company, to how to scale a cleaning company, to hiring your employees, to marketing, to how to get into to making money online. You know what I mean? To everything, you name it, we gonna be covering it there. You're gonna be able to rub elbows with a lot of people. This Friday, I'm gonna have Erica Williams on. She's gonna be live with us this Friday, so it's gonna be a different perspective. Y'all know she's been getting money online for a long time. I think she might have been on here longer than me. You know what I mean? So she's been definitely getting it, and so I'm excited to share her perspective with y'all. Next, I'm gonna try to get Eric Coffey on here, do a live with me on a Friday, as well as Marquel Russell, get him back on. Miss Debbie Tardone already agreed she's coming in 2 weeks as well. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. Plenty of stuff coming up. I ain't never stopping. I ain't stopping. And by the way, y'all might not know this, but I actually committed to doing 100 push-ups a day for the new year, and I've actually been following through with that. And so I recorded every single day and I uploaded to YouTube, but I put it on my other channel. So if you prefer the raw AJ, that no holds bar, check out my other channel, the Everybody Eats channel. I don't really like to mention it over here because I try to separate the people that's here, cleaning business people, from the people who just here for AJ, right? So if you here for AJ and you rock with me, go check that channel out. And I'm posting those 100 push-up videos every day over there. I'm gonna get through this whole year doing them, y'all. But if you just here for the cleaning business stuff, you ain't worry about all of that, then stay right here. All right, you see we cleaning it up over here, the editing getting better. I do little videos like this here and there just so I can speak directly to y'all, you know what I mean? And this is more what you get on the other side. It ain't nothing polished at all about the other side of China. But anyway, but yeah, that's what I got. Just wanted to check in, let y'all know the Calculated Clean is coming back. So be prepared when that Clean Business Network turns over to Calculated Clean. Be prepared for that. And then also get your tickets before January 28th. Y'all, time is winding down. Y'all got what's today? Yeah, y'all ain't got a lot of more time. Like 14 days or something like that. So make sure y'all get up in there. All right, I will see y'all in Las Vegas at the JW Marriott Hotel. Don't try to come up in there if you ain't got no ticket. We're gonna have you escorted out. All right, and so make sure you get your ticket ASAP. What else I got for y'all? That's pretty much it, man. I think that's pretty much it. I pretty much covered everything. So, but appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. I will talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all.